Hello, I'm Rajeev, working as a product manager with MariApps. The shipping industry has undergone a remarkable transformation from the era where typewriters were considered essential to today where protecting sensitive data from cyber threat is a top priority. Over the past few decades, the industry has embraced significant modernization. It was my curiosity, passion for understanding how intelligent software applications are developed that led me to join MariApps. The journey wasn't without its own challenges, but thanks to the strong leadership, the transition was remarkably smooth. Time is money. That's one key factor which I've carried throughout my life, right from the shipping industry. Timely commitment to the customers, delivering the projects on time is the key factors that we do here at MariApps. Whether it's pre-ISM code or post-ISM code, safety has been the key paramount in shipping industry. Work safe, understand the risk, mitigate them. That's all you need to do. Having served on tankers all throughout, loading and discharging are considered to be one of the most critical operations in the industry. A well-planned loading and discharging will always result in accident and incident-free results. Days when checklists were merely on papers, there was always a chance that you start to fill the checklist after the operations have started. Today, with checklists accessible via mobile applications, they're always there handy when you need before an operations. Mobile developments and mobile applications have done a major change in the shipping industry. ECDIS has been a game changer in the industry. Those were old days when paper charts were the only source of navigation. People had difficulties in navigating to areas where we didn't have charts on board the ship. We had to wait for the agents to supply charts on arrival, or you had to draw lines on fax copies. Well, today with ECDIS, you could navigate with anywhere in the world, which is absolutely a game changer. Another important factor which has changed is a communication which has evolved in the last few years, in the last few decades. Those were the days when we had wireless telephony. From wireless telephony, we went on SAT-A to SAT-C, and then came in fleet broadband, where we had the first internet on board the ship. From there, it was soon switched over to the VSAT, and now with Starlink. Connection is not a problem now. PMS, this was something which was very important right throughout the industry. Back in those days when we assumed the work was done, we had no log of what was done probably in a paper on a book. Soon later, it came to an Excel sheet where people maintain on different Excel sheets. But today, over a lot of changes have happened. Today, we have dashboard tiles reminding you what to do, when to order, what is overdue, what is missing. That's been a big game changer. Training is another industry. Back in the 90s when we had video cassettes and we watched on a Saturday evening, from there today it is being a customized training for each and every individual. You have training applications available on your mobile phones, allowing you to do training while you're at home and sea. With technology comes risk. Over-reliance on equipments and forgetting the basic rules of lookout can lead to a lot of accidents. GPS-aided grounding, ECDIS-aided collisions have been quite common in the past. Over-reliance on cargo loading equipments during the topping up operations or the bunkering operations can lead to overflow. At MariApps, we have developed several applications to aid the environment. Oceanopt helps us in carbon denuclearization goals. Our CII, the carbon intensity indicator, allows you to calculate the carbon. The IRT application, on the other hand, helps in identifying the inspections, recording inspections, also bringing up the unclosed observations. The ER books, on the other hand, replaces the conventional deck engine room and the oil record book. Our oil record books are flag approved, and these are very easy to use applications. At MariApps, we are constantly brainstorming and finding new ways to improve, which helps us stay in tune with the unique needs of the maritime industry. Whether it's on board or ashore, we make sure there is a smart solution for every operation.